I'm a very happy former and still student of the Academy of a Private Investor. Learned a lot since I met or came in contact with the Academy in 2021. Learned to track, learned to keep my finances safe, to keep my money safe and my investments safe. But most of all, what I'm really glad about, or what really was essential for me, was that I learned that the investments I had running at that moment, at that time, or still have, are high risk and ultra high risk. So that's not a good way to keep a stable return on investment. So because of the learnings with the Academy, I learned to diversify even more, and I learned to spread my risks more, and that I really needed to start investing in mid-risk and low risk, because I want to have a stable return on investment, and that's there you need to get more lower risk and mid-risk investments running instead of only the high risks. So really glad that I came in contact with the Academy. Still a student there, still learning and still loving to learn. And for me it's a very cool and humble organization to be part of. So thank you for everything you've already done for me, Academy, and what you're going to do for me in the future. Bye-bye.